Alright guys, I am back with another video. iPhone 13 Pro Max. Gonna go ahead and do an installation on here of the WhiteStone Dome. You can see I have this crappy film on my device that I've been using since I got the iPhone 13 Pro Max. I uploaded a video on YouTube for the Google Pixel 6 Pro WhiteStone Dome, and I contacted them. And I was like, wait a minute, I never received one for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. And they were like, we sent you one a while back. Well, had to go and look through my boxes, and boom, there it was. iPhone 13 Pro Max, WhiteStone Dome, tempered glass screen protector. I've been using this film ever since I got my iPhone. If I would have known this, I would have, I was kind of frustrated that I didn't look through my packages. But yeah, here it is, WhiteStone Dome for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. This is one of the best screen protectors you can buy for your device. Quick installation. Let's go. So this is the box. We're going to go ahead and open it up and pull its contents out. Should be very similar to what we got on the Google Pixel. So that's all we got in the box. We got the light. UV light, and we got this kit with the alcohol cleaning swabs, the runoff, what they call those, I forget what they call them, for the overspill of glue. It just basically picks up the glue, and we have alcohol swabs and dust stickers, and then over here we have some tape, which we're going to be using to cover up the speaker port. And then we have the tempered glass. We got two of them. So in case one breaks, we can come back and install the other one. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, this is the tempered glass screen protectors. We're going to look like when it goes on the device. All the way up. Yep. Real nice. So we're going to go ahead and do that one. And we're going to pull off this icky, ugly film. Horrible film. It worked for a little bit, but look at that screen. That screen is pristine. I'm not even going to wipe it. Maybe I should. But yeah, first thing you want to do is swipe up. Enter your passcode, I guess. Get in your phone. Power your phone off, because you want to have a black screen so that you can visually see all the dust particles on there. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and do that. So here's the kit. Here's the extra tempered glass screen protector. I've done several of these, so I'm pretty good at it. And this is the tray. This is the adhesive bridge we're going to be using, putting this on there, like so. Boom. And then we have these absorbers that we're definitely going to be using also to absorb the runoff of the adhesive. So you want two of these. Let me back this up a little bit. Two of these, one on each side here. Oh, they go on this thing. So we're going to close this like so. Put this on. First, we got to put the phone in. I think it's how it goes. Goes like this. We gotta pull these out. All right, this is how it goes. The absorbers go on here. They sit like so after you put the phone in. The bridge. Everything's here. So what we're gonna do now is move this off to the side and definitely clean our display off. So we're gonna open this out. I think I already opened it. Pull out a couple of alcohol swabs. Go around the display, like so. Boom. Pretty easy. This is real time. I'm going to show you how quick this is. I'm going to try to do it all in one take without wasting too much of your time, so you can see the entire process. I wanted to do that with the Pixel, but for some reason my camera just stopped recording mid installation. So okay, so there's that. Here's the phone. You're going to put the phone in first. You're going to want to put this adhesive like so, just to cover up the speaker. That's what I'm going to use. And then this is going to go like so. So let's go ahead and get the top portion. Line this up. Oops, sorry. Boom, line it up. Put the dust absorbers in there. And one more. Boom. And then we got this thing. Why is this so tight? Okay. Let's get some dust stickers ready so we can pick up whatever we have on our screen. Okay. So we want to put the bridge on first. Step one. Put the bridge. You're going to want to open the colored side. This stuff is pretty potent. And then you're going to pour it in here, screw it on there, like so. And then you're going to remove the second to release the fluid. You can see the fluid all came out. Leave it there for a quick second. And then you could put this back on. Take this out. Put the original cap back on. This stuff is pretty strong smelling. Then you want to get your tempered glass screen protector. And it has a tape. So this is the tape that you want to take off. So you want to hold it upside down so you don't get anything on it. And just peel back. Boom. There's that. Drop it. But first you want to make sure you put this in. This is going to hold the tempered glass. There it is lined up. Now you want to push the bubble to the center. Is this on top? Yeah. So you're going to go ahead, tilt it to the center, and then pull this tab. Boom. That's how easy that is. So you can see all the way to the edges. And then I almost forgot my ultraviolet light. Should have had that ready. So here's the ultraviolet light right here. And it's got 15 seconds or 1 minute. So you want to go ahead and get this ready. Let me go ahead and see if I got my cord. Okay, here I am. I'm almost ready. Plug it in, and you want to do the center for about a minute. Open these legs up. So I'm going to go ahead and do the center for a minute. You press twice. Boom, boom. And you're going to get 60 seconds in the middle. I'm recording this video with the Google Pixel 6 Pro. This device has been amazing. And I'm actually enjoying it more now that I have the WhiteStone Dome tempered glass screen protector on it. Because with the film, which was probably the same as this one, it's not a smooth feel like when you're using the tempered glass. Tempered glass it's like using the original screen. It's very smooth. And I enjoy it more. And then you want to do 1 more minute up here. Ultraviolet on. And you're basically going to repeat the process after you clean it. So this is the first stage. This is the way I do it. The first stage is just put the light on middle, top, bottom. Take it out of this holder here. And to go around it, cleaning it with the alcohol swab or the alcohol wet wipe, and getting all the extra glue and stuff out of it, and then putting it back on the ultraviolet light again for another 3 minutes, just to make sure it cures right. So we're at the top now, and we should be going to the bottom for the final there we go. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 1, 2. And we'll do 1 minute on the bottom. And this is going to be another excellent WhiteStone Dome installation. So yeah, these kits do come with 2 tempered glass screen protectors, and they have extra bottles or tubes of adhesive. So if you happen to put this one on, messed it up or whatnot, you got another one. Or if you put it on and then you drop it down the line and you crack it, you could always come back and remove it and come back and install a new glass. So you'll be golden. So I'm glad that they include at least 2, and they give you a lot of wet wipes. So you got plenty of wet wipes and plenty of these microfiber cleaning cloths, and you got extra of the adhesive absorbers. So you should be golden with this package. Okay, so we are pretty much done with the first process. We're going to take this off. So we didn't get too much runoff, but this is what you want. You want a little bit of protection so it doesn't go on the side of the phone. Got a little bit on this side, but other than that, pretty good. And we have the tape at the top that I put on there. Take that off, protect your port. And now we're going to clean this bad boy up. So let's go ahead and inspect it. And you can see we got a little bit of glue on this side. So we're going to hit it with another wet wipe to get all that stuff off. And then clean. I recommend you use a clean table or desk, not like me. So wipe it down, get the extra glue off. This is another perfect installation of the WhiteStone Dome tempered glass screen protector. Beautiful. Simple as that. Check it out. No bubbles, None of that stuff on there. That's my speaker grill. It's kind of dirty. No bubbles. Nothing under, no lint underneath the glass. None of that. So you're golden. Yep, there it is. Another perfect installation of the WhiteStone Dome tempered glass screen protector for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. 15 minutes, you get this installed. So it's all done. And let me go ahead and shoot this nice cover photo for it so it can look pretty good on the thumbnail there. So there we go. WhiteStone Dome. Another perfect installation. So let's go ahead and take a picture of that. And I'm going to go ahead and do the center again, top and bottom. There it is. Perfect shot. WhiteStone Dome. Tempered glass screen protector for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Excellent installation process. We out.